Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2016 BMW i3, the EV. And we are going to go over the process and how you open up the hood to be able to get to your luggage compartment in the hood, and if you need to check any of the fluids inside there. So start with, we're going to go over to the driver's door, and then we're going to be able to open up the door and then hit the buttons that we need to open it up. And so over here at our driver's door, we're going to grab our handle. Now, if of course the door is locked, we would need to unlock it first, and then we can be able to get in. And then right here, you're going to see some buttons. We've got our fuel, we've got the hood, and we've got the trunk release. So we're going to tap the hood one, and you hear that actuation motor work, and so that's opened it up. So now that you've hit that actuation motor, you can see that the hood has raised up, and then we got to reach under here, right below the emblem, and a little bit on the what would be the left-hand side as you're looking at it. There's a little button that you push right here, and then you're able to open up the hood to gain access to where you put windshield washer fluid and other fluids in this vehicle. So that's how you'd open up your hood on this vehicle, as long as with your 12-volt power supply and with things like that. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.